Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm in front of this beautiful home that I want to show you. This home is already pending, so what I want to show you is the floor plan, okay? This is actually an award-winning home. It's from Sposen. It's the Mira Vista model, okay? So what I'm going to do typically is when I do my videos, I'm going to do a little bit of the outside so you can see it from the outside, and then we'll move in inside. Okay, let's start. As you can see, it has metal roof, has a 3-car garage, and it's very stunning when you get in front of it. Okay, you see it has the spotlights on the soffit. I'm gonna walk around here so I can show you the side of the home. Over here's your AC unit. You got hose bit over there. Electric power coming in. Over here is your AC unit. Here's your shut-off valve for the home. The disconnect for the AC, and you got your sprinkler system. Okay, so now we keep going here, and this is your pool equipment. Okay, it has a salt water system, so it's very nice. And this is your pool outside. And this is what Florida is all about. Check out the view here. Okay, let's move inside the house. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. It's very, very nice. If you would like to know the price, since this one's already completed and everything, so it has all the upgrades that they wanted to put on it before they build it. So I'm not getting into the prices because this video, I don't know how long it will be, washed out there. So I always like to give accurate information. So if you would like to know about the price and the different floor plans, please give us a call at 239-410-7372. And for all those people that want me to give the price, I'm sorry, but it works better this way because the prices tend to change, and I would like just to give you the most accurate information when you want it, okay? So let's get ready and let's start this tour. Okay, the home has 2,400 square feet on the air, 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 baths, okay? So it's a pretty big home. But what I like is the design inside. It's just beautiful. Floor plan is great. As you come in, you're walking with this beautiful, humongous door. Let's wipe my feet a little bit here. The dirty floor is beautiful. Okay, so you come in. You have to be actually here to feel the space. I'm gonna move the camera up here so you can see how high the ceilings are. And then I'll show you something that the lights has that is pretty cool. Okay. This will be your den. Check out how big it is. And the height, look at this. Tray ceiling on the top. This is a very nice home. That's why it's an award-winning home. Okay, so when you come into this humongous room, okay? This is big, okay? Let me show you the lights so you see how nice this is. Let me shut them off. You see, you have this one, it's just the spotlights, and then you have this one to light up. So it's pretty cool. If you have your TV here, you probably feel like a theater. Okay, so let me turn all of them back on again. And check out the other one, you even have one even outside. So let me shut the spotlights off. There we go. Check that out, how cool. Okay, enough for the lights, Louis. Okay, let's keep going here. So over here is your mount for your TV. So your TV will go here. And they also thought about putting a plug on the floor, so if you have end tables around your sofa, you could plug them in, or if you have those nice couches that relax, you know, that go up and down, you have that. And you have a beautiful view. Since you just walk in from the canal outside, it's really nice. Okay, and now over here, let me move around so you can visualize the size. I'm telling you, it's big. I don't know if you hear an echo, but it's big. Check it out. Please comment below what you think about the house. Okay, and please like and share if you can. If you have people that are interested in buying new construction, please like and share my channel. I will really appreciate it. I like when you do the likes and comments, because that helps me promote more my web channel, okay? My YouTube channel. Okay, so check it out over here. This over here will be your dining room here. And this is your gourmet kitchen. Check it out, how nice. And when do you see the pantry? The pantry is really cool. I'll come back to the kitchen. Okay, let's check out the pantry, how big it is. Check that out. Very nice. Over here, you got your laundry room. This box over here, that's where all your TV, internet stuff goes into. So you have an area for that. And then in here is your humongous 3-car garage. Check it out. And the floor is nice and with epoxy on it. Looks really nice. And got your electrical box over here. Over here in the corner, you got your water heater. And as you can see, most of the homes that I showed in the other videos that are, you know, they do have shutters, but this one don't have shutters because it's all hurricane. It has their reinforced doors here, you can see, and it's all impact windows. Over here you have this room again, and let's look at the kitchen closely now. Okay, here's your nice cabinets. Check it out. Quartz countertop. There's your dishwasher over there. Here's a sink over here. The island. Over here you got your microwave with your oven. And you got your water here to fill up your pots. Tell me what you think about this kitchen. I'd like to hear from you. Okay, now let's come over here. We come out to bedroom, let's call it number 1 because it's the first bedroom we go in. Okay, you have your door that leads out to the pool here. And you have your bathroom over here. That also leads to the pool. So this is a pool bath also. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's stay over here. See the closets. Nice. Let's go over. This is the guest bathroom here. Have double sink. your closet here, water closet there, no closet, your toilet there. And over here, your nice shower. Okay, let's keep going. Over here's bedroom number 2. We stand over here in a corner here. There's your closet over there. Nice. Here's your thermostat. And let's start over here a second so you can see this is the dining room. It's a pretty big size with beautiful glass looking towards the water. If you're thinking of building this home on a Gulf access lot, it's really nice because you get to see the water from the kitchen, from the living room. It's really nice. And you check out the pool over here. Okay. Just one more look at the kitchen here. And remember let me see if I get it here, over here. Check out the lights here. The same as the one that I showed you at the beginning. Very cool. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're gonna go over to the master bedroom. Okay, so you come in, let's make a left here. This is your master bathroom. Check it out. Has 2 showers, one in each side, and the tub in the middle. Very nice. I love the design here. You got all the space that you have to put stuff here. For your over there. Very nice. And over here, let's keep going. Over here you have closet here. Pretty good, nice size. And then you have another closet over here. And this is your master bedroom with 2 doors leading out to the pool area. And remember the comfort ceilings, they all have that light thing that I showed you, so it's pretty cool. Check out the size here. And now we're gonna go outside and show you what really Florida is all about. This is why people move here. That's why they have to make the home really nice outside, because that's where most of the people spend their time. Okay. Here we are. Check out this area here. It's just awesome. Check out the kitchen. Got everything you need here. And let me stand over here so you can see the pool. And if you can see, the screen does not have no bars through the middle. It's just columns, and you can see right through. It's very nice. They're doing that in most of the new homes now. And over here you got a beautiful hot tub. Pretty nice size. Check out the hot tub. Nice. Let me move back so you can see all the space you have here. It's a lot of space. Believe me, it's big. Check it out. You have a lot of space back here. And over here, this is the door that leads you to the bathroom. And this is the door that leads you to the room. Well, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful home. Please remember, if you're new to my channel, if you would like to see more homes like this and find out more about Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you are looking for a property in this area, please make sure you can call us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been doing real estate in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we can help you out, okay? So, like I said at the beginning, if you would like to know about the prices, please give us a call at 239-410-7372. Prices vary, so if you really like the home and you would like to know more about it and other floor plans that are similar, just give us a call and we can find out, you know, what are the current prices, so you can make a wise decision. If you're looking for a lot, we can also help you out. So, just, you know, just make sure to contact us if you need any help. Okay, so signing off from Cape Coral. See you on to the next video.